Yeah. T9. Oh my god.
Oh, this is
Let's
so
not on the
bad.
gate. Just DPS, just stay on Noxu, okay? DPS, just stay on Noxu. Stay on Noxu, that's it. Oh fuck, I need to VOD, wait.
Do not go there. Do
Wait,
not go
wait,
there.
wait, wait,
We
wait,
bomb.
wait, wait, wait. I need to VOD, wait. Fuck. Wait, Shaper! Wait, Shaper, guys.
Bro, I even got runes.
Oh, yung Shaper, yung engage now, Southwest over the wall now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Southwest over the wall, more damage, come on, damage. There you go, damage, you're doing it good. Good job, motherfuckers, good job. Come back.
Nice.
Tell me CD, cycle, tell me CD. Tell me CD.
CD long, CD long, CD.
Copy, hold.
DPS ready, DPS ready.
Hold lang, hold. Engaging on the gate now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate. Good job. Good job, DPS. You're doing good. Be faster, DPS. Be faster. Good job. You're doing good, boys.
DPS ready, DPS ready.
Hold. You'll be ready to help me, okay? I'm gonna fake on the gate. Faking now. Faking. Fake. Okay, come back. Yo, hold. You're engaging Southwest over the wall now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest over the wall now. Yo, come back. Good damage, fuckers. Good the fuck damage, boys. Good damage. Hold. You're doing good, boys. Yo, tell me CD. Hold. Copy, hold.
DPS ready.
Don't random demon, boys. Hold. Don't random demon, boys. Copy, just hold.
Ready.
Tanga na, di ako
Just hold. Hindi ako nakapag-butin eh. Yan na, okay na. Hold.
Call it dead, I think.
Guys,
Call it dead.
What the fuck? Hold. Come southwest. Hold. Ready demon, okay? Come back. Hold lang. Defend front. Hold. Yung engaging now, southwest deep now, northwest, southwest deep now in 5, 4, 3, ton, deep. Come back. Giga, demon now. I'm telling you, demon now, come back inside, guys. Come back inside, cycle. Copy, hold. Tell me CD, hold.
DPS ready.
Copy, yung engaging on. Wait. Just relax. Heels in the front, boys. Heels in the front. Hold. Hindi nila kinukuha yung weapon, guys.
They call it dead.
Yup.
Ay, nako.
Yo, you do not get out, okay? You just very hug the wall, okay? You will just hug the wall here. You see me? Just follow Noxo. Alam niya na yung gagawin niya, okay? We're going deep, okay? Be ready to support my Galtron's fight. Hold. Yung engaging now, southwest, super deep southwest now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, southwest, super deep, deep. Come back now, giga, come back, come back inside, please, come back inside, oh my god, come back inside, guys, time me see the cycle fast.
DPS ready.
Engaging on the gate now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate, come back, it's okay, hold. Oh, okay, no one dies on my party, hold.
Nice.
Good job, guys. You're doing good right now. You're doing good.
What's the random? Hell yeah.
Standing here in the heart.
Hold.
You don't need to.
I'm direct because I'm
Yo, Galdron's on me front. Galdron me front. Yeah, just hold. Galdron me. Hold.
I'm trying.
don't have mana.
Engaging now on the gate now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate. Good farm, again. Good job. Come back. Good job. Yo, nice, yo. Cycle your demon. Hold.
Send it cooldown.
Hold, yep.
DPS ready.
Hop, yep.
Okay, have cooldown.
Kaya yung bomb natin, tarantado yung bomb natin, gago. Yo, engaging now, deep southwest, on the gate now, in 5, deep southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit, good job, come back, be ready, demon now, trust me, hold, come back, help the front, go, my god. Just don't come out, everyone, okay? Help in front, yep. Tell me CD, hold.
DPS ready.
Copy, hold.
Ready in 10 seconds.
Yup. You're engaging on the gate now, southwest now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate, shallow on the gate, nice one. Come back. Good job. Hold, cycle again. Hold.
Yeah.
Tangina yung bomb natin, no? Tarantado.
DPS ready, DPS ready.
Yup, just relax.
Yeah, I come.
Yo, help Kaiser. Ready, southwest now, super deep southwest now, super deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, super deep, this is big boys! Big damage, come on! Come back. Demon, good job. Come back inside, please, promise me. Hold, what?
Get ready.
Ano yun?
Yeah. Hold. Help Kaiser, okay, good.
West Castle.
Inside now, good.
What is he doing?
It's hold. Yo, be ready to help me in front, okay? Be ready to help me in front. Hold. I will look. Hold. Just hold. They know we have engaged. Very good engage, okay? Come back. Just hold. Let them come. You're they're greedy bastards, okay? Just hold. Just stay on Noxo and you're good, okay? Just stay on Noxo, DPS. Just hold. Hold. Holding hands. Hold. Don't go outside. Don't hug any walls. Careful. Hold. Just hold. Relax. Let them do some shit. Be ready headbutt, okay? When I say headbutt, Giga also. When I say headbutt, use Giga, okay?
Okay.
Hold. Wait. Engaging on the gate. Headbutt to in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate. Headbutt. Kunti na lang, guys. Kunting-kunti na lang, guys. Literal. Piso na lang yung buhay nila. Piso na lang buhay nila, guys. Piso na lang. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, piso na lang. Hold. Yung engaging on the gate now. Tell me city in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate. Come back. Hold, cycle. Yo, it doesn't front. Tell me city.
Long city.
Hold. Wait. Copy, hold.
DPS ready
No
now.
mana.
You fast engage on the gate now. Gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, on the gate. Bilis ng ano nila. Come back. I will fake next time. Hold. They're coming northwest. Come northwest. Wait. Come northwest. Tell me city. Bilisan nyo. Wait. Just don't come. Don't look there. What the fuck are they going? Sa chest. Okay.
Don't worry.
Just relax. Let them. Yeah.
Ito, wait, okay.
You engage. Wait. No.
Don't stand there.
Let them get. You wanna do one tank? Scout outside. Where are they going?
They on the pit.
Yeah. They will go back to us or what?
Yeah, they will.
Yo, mount up.
Yeah.
Mount up. Just follow where they go. They come back west side, they're coming back southwest. Come back southwest. Dismount west, see me. Yo, dito kayo, hold. Hold. Tell me CD.
Hold.
Ready?
DPS ready.
Hold. Dismount, guys. Hold.
5 seconds.
You're engaging on the gate now. Wait. You're engaging on the gate now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate.
Demon. Come back.
Oh my God, praise. Nice, good job.
Okay.
Hold. Tell me CD.
Do not
DPS ready. DPS ready.
Yo, come southwest. You see northwest wall. Engaging northwest wall na in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest wall. Nice. Fuck this fucking gagos. Okay, kinajo. Gago, tarantado. Come back. Fucking noobs. Okay, hold. Cycle.
Kurang.
Yup. Hold. Just, guys, cycle on heart. Def. Tell me city. Engage on the gate now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate. Hit. Come back.
What the fuck?
Do not be under
Why did you walk, bro? Why did you walk?
Ay. Oh my God, the bomb! Fucking bomb, bro. Holy God.
Holy shit,
Yo, shaper.
it's
Tell me city. Hold.
I'm ready.
Copy. Hold.
Oh, defense. Are you ready?
DPS
Ready, DPS
You
ready.
engage, you help me in front, okay? Ready, help me in front. Ready to help me in front, okay?
Demon ready.
Yeah.
Demon
You engaging now, northwest over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 northwest over the wall. Find me. Okay, good job. Come back. You help me. Demon. Come back.
Walk back.
Good comes, come back.
Don't stand. Do
Okay,
not stand.
hold.
DPS ready.
Copy, hold. You engaging on the gate now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate. Bro, where is my fucking exalted man? I'm getting fucking this fucking Hellion Hood, man. Oh my god. Hold.
Yeah.
Oh, the break.
I left on the first one though.
I think I will not come.
What are you talking about, Luca?
Wait, oh, wait, yeah, they got
Ready,
God
DPS
rules, goddammit.
Yo, be ready to help me, okay? I will fake on the gate. Guardians on the gate. Guardians on the gate. Please get me. Guardians on the gate. I'm faking.
I know.
I'm faking. I'm faking. Good job. Hold. Tell me, City. Northwest of bro. Find me. Hold. Northwest of bro. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest of bro now. Find me.
Betrock.
Come. Yeah. Guardians.
No.
DPS. Don't drop only on the wall the gate. You can go north or west. It's okay. Don't going to the gate. They will have cut.
Okay.
Yo, that's ready. Northwest over the wall. Not on the gate. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall. Come back.
Demon.
Good job.
They're gonna have us soon, yeah? They're gonna have us soon. It's okay. We can hold.
Hold. Be ready to hold them, okay? Be ready to hold them. Hold. Yo, I will fake on the gate. Faking on the gate now in 3, 2, 1. Faking on the gate. Fake. Hold. Be ready to hold, okay? Hold. Come on, Sotis. Hold. Come on, east more. Hold.
The looking.
Hold. Ready on the gate on north in 5, 4, 3, 2. Demon. Oh my god, okay, Ravage! Fucking shit! Yo, come. Cycle fast. Hold, ready on the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate, find the perma. Cycle fast, DPS, find the heart. Dito kayo northwest over the wall. I repeat, northwest over the wall. Tell me CD. Okay, copy, hold.
RJ.
RJ guys, royal jacket please. Hello.
Go back. Don't look.
DPS ready now.
Northwest over the wall now, shallow in 5. Hold. Yo, hold, Be ready to hold, okay? Be ready. Come east, DPS position east. Follow the heart, DPS. Follow the catch. No. Ready. Wait, hold. Just hold. Demon, we're gonna headbutt, okay? Repeat, I'm gonna headbutt. Hold. Give me fake. Good job, fake. Shape. I will fake. Okay, I will fake again. Yo, hold. Ready on the gate now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate. Come. Heal me. Cycle. Fast. Go past. Cycle. Heal me. Heal the snail. Tell me CD. Come fast. Ready, wait. Hold. Yes, headbutt, okay, ready. Hold. Ready on the gate, on the choke now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the choke. Oh my god! Come back. Ready. Hold. Tell me CD. Cycle fast. Tell me CD. Hello. Oh my god, you cycle fast, boys. Cycle fast.
Ready.
Oh my god, hold. Heal.
Only fast attack is for demon. Fast attack is for demon. Heal him.
Copy, hold.
Heal your
Hold.
corner.
Yo, I need fake, give me fake. Give me fake. Someone fake. Give me someone fake. Someone fake. Come southwest. On the choke now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke, boys. Choke. Oh my God. Fuck you, niggas. Demon. Oh my God. Fuck me, man.
I don't have demon, bro.
Come to the Terry, come to the Terry, come to the Terry.
We get low. It's okay.
That's why I'll tag before. You cannot see.
Caster, go second column.
No, we die already.
Bro, right when the
don't have
demon
healer,
is
bro.
down, we all die. What happened?
Yo guys, come on, get the task. Second. Click.
Go inside Terry.
Go inside.
I died.
Okay. Oh my God. What the
I need
fuck
to
is
DPS,
happening?
bro. What's this?
Come here. It's pointless if they're gonna fight in Terry, bro. You don't have a fucking
Your fucking damage, bro. Just go really overpower, bro. Shit.
yeah, I always value the bomber, bro. The solo bomber. I'm glad that I pop my giga.
Fuck, man.
Damage of fucking picture. Banget.
I'm coming back.
We go again or no?
They're still here. That verse there is still here.
Yeah, still here.
Yeah, chill. Let's come back. Let's come back.
Wait,
I'm coming back.
First selling, come here. There's the first selling.
Proper? No.
Yeah. I think it's proper.
Let's just run. Huh?
That's all. My battery
what's
is
up?
out
Yeah,
now.
there's
Do
small.
anything.
What?
My battery almost out now.
Okay.
Okay.
Yo, it's okay. We still have use defended. Okay, just come back. R-back. They will come back later. 9 UTC. Kaiser call, okay?
Yeah. Just up.
Just come back.
I will not call 9.
What the?
9.
Why not? Two call again.
Kame. Airbag.
You just come back. R-back, guys. R-back. Vod review.
It's a win.
We already win. It's okay.
We kick all out 2 times, bro.
Yeah. Anyways, good DPS.